Welcome, Brennan Bears. I'm Jalen.
And I'm Jordan, reporting from the BTV studio.
Today is Wednesday, October 9th, 2019.
Next Wednesday, the entire campus will be in test mode with PSAT and SAT testing, which includes seniors. All students will need a photo ID, such as your school ID, and there will be no off-campus lunch permitted. Be sure to eat a good breakfast and be early as testing begins at 9 a.m. For those taking the PSAT NMSQ test, do your best to earn a Merit Scholar designation, which qualifies you for a $2,500 scholarship.
For seniors who did not sign up for the SAT, you will participate in career explorations, which include the military branches, career and technology, Mellon and Universal Technical Institute, fire and police, culinary school, and you will learn more about FAFSA.
Attention Bears! Bowling tryouts for the upcoming season will be tomorrow from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and also Sunday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. You will only need to attend one tryout session. Tryouts are $15 and you pay the bowling alley when you arrive. For more information, contact Mr. Silva in C217.
JROTC will hold its annual blood drive October 29th. You can sign up in the cafeteria during your lunch period. Donating blood will take up one class period. Sign up ends October 18th. For more information, contact the JROTC cadet or see them in the cafeteria.
Bears, if you took debate last year, go by Miss Habby's room, C108, to pick up your NSDA membership certificate. If you do not collect your certificate before this Friday, October 11th, it will be recycled.
AP students, invite your parents to a meeting regarding your enrollment in advanced placement courses. The meeting will be in the auditorium at 6:30 p.m. tonight. AP scholars will be recognized, address changes to the AP exam registration, and parents can meet our AP teachers. See you tonight.
Bush's Chicken is back. Please support your student athletic trainers as they will be selling Bush's today in the gym hallway starting at 4:45. Get 2 tender rolls and a cup of sweet tea for only $3. Come by and get some chicken.
Brennan's Dance and Drill will host their annual clinic for pre-K through high school students on October 19th from noon to 3 p.m. The clinic fee is $35, which includes a t-shirt, snacks, and a ticket to the varsity football game against Clark for participants over the age of 4. Participants should wear comfortable clothes and a permission form must be signed by parents or a legal guardian. For more information, call Ms. Brock or Ms. Ryan at 210-398-1365 or contact a Brennan Dance or Drill team member.
Brennan ambassadors are still looking for any gently used outfits that might make someone's formal event a much more delightful experience. They have partnered with a fellow Northside High School to help make their homecoming a great one for their student population. The Ambassadors Leadership Team's deadline for participating is October 24th. For more information, see Mr. Lopez in A204.
NHS is also giving service hours to those who donate clothes. Dresses, dress shirts, pants, or a pair of shoes will be counted as 1 hour. Accessories like belts or jewelry will be counted as half an hour.
This past Saturday, the Brennan cross-country team competed at the SAISD meet. Varsity Lady Bears finished 2nd overall as a team. Varsity Bears finished 6th overall as a team. JV girls and boys finished 3rd overall. Our running Bears have a bye week this week, but have their district meet October 19th at Gus Stadium. Take a look at some highlights.
Yesterday at Paul Taylor Gym, Our Lady Bears volleyball team dropped the first set to Taft 25-19, but they came back to take the next set 25-10 and the third set 25-16 and held on in the fourth set to win 25-20. Way to go, Lady Bears, for your overall win. Take a look at some highlights.
Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears, and if you miss any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on our Brennan website, and if you have any announcements for us, please use the form on the website or email Mr. Cerna.
I'm Jordan, signing off from BTV.
And I'm Jalen. Have a great day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.